Hi, Ashanti. This is the last place I want to show you to go look for some resource on being a forensic psychologist. So if you just go to google.com, you can go to this resource called Google Books, and they have scanned large previews of books online, which is really helpful right now since our library isn't open. You just click on the link that says Google Books. If it says Google Play Books, which sometimes heads up above that, don't click on Google Play. Just click on Google Books. From here, you would just type in your topic of forensic psychologist. I see it right there on my list. And then you get a results page. For each book, you'll see the cover right here. The title is going to be to the right. And then they'll say preview or no preview right here. If it has a preview, there'll be a button. You can just click directly either on the preview button or on the title. Now, Google Books has gotten a new screen to show the books, which I'm still getting used to. It used to be this was kind of shown in a different window. But you'll see right here at the very top, they're going to show you all the chapters that you can have access to and what you're looking at. Here's your search term that it's locating in here, and you can always change that right here. You can make your screen bigger or smaller with the zoom out and zoom in. And it's kind of showing you that there is 1 in 5 books that there's forensic psychologists mentioned. You can click on the view all to see all the pages or sections that they take you to. But you can really kind of scroll down through this book just right on this front page. I like looking at the table of contents, and you'll see these are hyperlinks that you can kind of click directly on. What is forensic psychology? What do they do? So I think this will be really helpful. It was published in 2019. The citation information can be retrieved from the first couple of pages for this book. So right where the copyright information is, you can kind of grab and create your citation right there. Now you'll see behind there's a darkened screen and that there's some additional information over here. You can click this box in the top right corner, close. It closes the preview. And it looks like they're telling you at the top that this is the new Google Books. So this is my first time seeing it today. And there is a Create Citation button. Now, I haven't tested it, and I don't have my book here with me to kind of do it, but they do have an MLA citation little creator tool right here. So you can click Copy, and then you can paste it into a Word document, but I would really double check it because I don't know how good it is just yet. I haven't been able to test it to kind of say it's reliable or it's not reliable. So I would definitely check it to that, but that's another place where you can go. You can always go back to your results page and get additional books that can help you. On forensic psychologists. That one specifically spoke to the job. These are kind of about forensic psychology, but they might have things that talk about, like here's one, the role of the forensic psychologist, but you'll see this one came from 1980, so I didn't really look at that one, but know that you can preview any of these books. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.